Hey there! Are you curious about canyon formation? Do you wonder how a small creek can create such a beautiful trench in the earth? Well, let me tell you a story about a creek located in Oak Creek Canyon, named after the creek itself, Oak Creek, and how it helped build the structure in the earth. I'd like to share with you some of its power. Today I'll be telling you about Oak Creek and what it offers to our world. I'll tell you about where it travels and recreation activities it offers and what it has formed. Let's begin. It began long ago. Its travel started 8 to 10 million years ago. Geologic evidence suggests this. Oak Creek Canyon was then filled in by gravel deposits and a series of lava flows. This is when it all began. In modern times, the creek flows at the bottom of Oak Creek Canyon. Oak Creek is a tributary of the Verde River. Oak Creek is also one of the few perennial streams in Arizona, which means it has continuous flows throughout the year. Although his travels has been responsible for carving the modern Oak Creek Canyon, the creek then travels below Sedona, where it goes on past the communities of Page Springs and Cornville. It then reaches its confluence with the Verde River southeast of Cottonwood. Let's take a look at what it's built. Throughout the creek's life, it has built and revealed many things. The eroded walls of the canyon are formed mostly of Paleozoic sedimentary rock. Exposures of the Kaibab limestone, which is a formation found at the top of the Grand Canyon. The creek has also revealed Tara Weep Formation at the northern end of the canyon. In the southern end are cross-bedded Permian Coconino sandstone and the red sandstones of the Permian Schnebly Hill Formation. The Schnebly Hill Formations are, of course, the red rocks found in Sedona. This formation is also not found in the Grand Canyon. Oak Creek might not have built what the Colorado did, but it did give us the red rocks we enjoy in Sedona. Now let's move on to the fun we could find in the canyon. Recreation. Oak Creek offers many fun things for us sentient beings. It offers several campgrounds for overnight stays in the woods. The creek has also given us several enjoyable hiking trails, including the West Fork Trail, which is one of the most popular trails in the Coconino National Forest. The trail starts out going past the burnt-down inn that nature is slowly taking over again. The trail then winds back into the dark woods at the bottom of the canyon. Another great recreation activity the creek offers is 49 fishable miles. Within the creek, you have the chance of catching brown trout, rainbow trout, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, channel catfish, and flathead catfish. Many baits can be used to catch these fish. You can use lures, minnows, or stink baits, but if you find a deep pool, a night crawler on the bottom will give you the best chance to catch almost anything. One of the best things to enjoy in the canyon that the creek has formed is Slide Rock, which is a natural water slide and one of the most popular tourist sites in Arizona. Not only that, but a few movies have been filmed at the site, and it is still a working apple orchard. The site is surrounded by the Sedona Red Rock, so not only is it a popular place to cool off, it's beautiful as well. So to recap on Oak Creek, what we learned today about Oak Creek is know where it travels, where it began, where it is, and where it will be going. We also acknowledged what it has built. Know the beauty it has revealed. Lastly, know what it can offer you to clear your mind and have fun. So the message is to get to know the natural places you like to explore. This will give you a better sense of what it has been through, and you'll respect it more. Just don't see a landscape, know its story as well. I'd also like to say that the information for this was retrieved from West Fork of Oak Creek Trail article from the U.S. Forest Service, Ivo Lucida's Hiking Arizona Geology, and Halka Chronic's 1983 publication, Roadside Geology of Arizona. Thank you very much.